Hi guys, I wanted to show you a quick way how to set up your ATAK server if you are in need of one. I'm the developer of this site called Takgrid, and I have created it to launch ATAK servers as quick as possible because I had a lot of experience with setting up ATAK servers, and it's a tedious process with configuring and setting up VPSs, Ubuntu, and doing all the stuff through the terminal. So I created a streamlined process how you can do this setup in just a few minutes. So the website is called Takgrid.com. You can go to it, you can check it out. What I provide is managed ATAK server setups. Pretty much you just press a button and the server is set up for you in a few minutes. The server includes ATAK server, obviously, MIDI MTX video server, a Mumble voice server, Node-RED integration. You also have full VPS access to the server if you want to do any custom configurations or setups. We also provide OpenVPN support with multicast enabled, so it's pretty much similar to zero tier. We have built-in certificate file browser, so you can download your certs through our dashboard. You don't have to go through the ATAK server management UI. Also, we have one-click ATAK server upgrades and a lot more features. You can check the changelog if you want to see more. Another thing we offer is Takgrid seats. It's an easy way to get started with ATAK server. It's like a perfect way for small teams who want private access to ATAK, but they don't want their own server. In simple terms, it pretty much just gives you access to our managed server. It's a shared resource server, so you manage the server and you have private access with unlimited users. Your data packages get 90-day data retention, and it's all ATAK server features included, like data sync, mission manager, and stuff like that. Also, with this package, it's included a video server as well. So how to get started? It's pretty simple. You just log in to the dashboard interface. We have it already set up. So I'm going to show you how to set up a demo or free trial servers. We offer that as well, so you can test it out and play it with it yourself. So first I'm going to spin up a demo server. Here you can see we offer a 6-hour free demo. So it will take about a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, until the server is going to spin up. You'll get an email that the server is up so when they're waiting for that, we can also check the Takgrid seats. This is a 48-hour free trial to test out the seat access. This is instantaneous, so we're gonna test it out right now while the server is still spinning up. So as you can see, the trial user was created, and to join the server you just need to press on these 3 dots, and with the access credentials. So the access credentials for the server is takserver.takgrid.com. You can just copy it over and open ATAK. So to join, you're going to have to go into the ATAK settings, network preferences, and if you want, you can just press quick connect. Here you paste the address of the server. If you're using quick connect, you can remove the port. In the username, you paste in the username you got, which is trial77362 in our case, and copy over the password. Sorry, I didn't copy over. Here we go. And pretty much it's just as easy as that. It took less than a minute to get private access to everyone's server. It's the official GOTS ATAK server from Takgrid, from tak.gov. If you would do this by yourself, it would take like, I know, depending on your experience, it would probably take several hours or even days to set up a proper server. So going back to the dashboard, we can also see in the trial server seats, we can see credentials. We also see the credentials for the video server if you want to stream drone feeds from your If you want to stream video feeds from your drone or from your body cameras or stuff like that, you can do it to this endpoint as well, but I'm not going to show it in this video right now. So the server is still spinning up, the demo server. I'm going to pause the video and get back to you when the server is going to be up, and then we're going to check out the features of the demo server. Oh, also, before I pause, you can also access your certificate files if you need them. You can download them here for your Takgrid seats. Certificate files are needed if you want to set up a data package for easier onboarding, or if you want to connect like from custom solutions using Node-RED or stuff like that. Also, what I forgot to mention is we also support bring your own server support. So if you already have some server infrastructure, you have a computer at home that is on, you can deploy Takgrid on your own server. You just need to install Ubuntu 22 version on it, and it will give you a one-line command you paste in the terminal. It will set up the whole Takgrid infrastructure on your device as well, and you will be able to manage it through our Takgrid dashboard. So it took like 10 minutes to set up the server while the scripts were running in the background. So the server status changed to running, and I got an email that the server is now up, so we can test it out. We need to copy the server address and go into ATAK. Here we can remove the server with the trials Takgrid seed server, and we can connect to our now completely private server. The Takgrid seeds as well, they are private, they're just using a shared resource server. This is a dedicated server just for you. So we copied the address, then we need to get the credentials. Disregard, we need to get and to create a user. So we press manage users. It's going to fetch users, there's going to be none probably. And then we're going to have to create a user. So we're going to create a user. Let's create test user, and you can use a custom password if you want. I'll just leave it as a securely generated one, and it's going to create a user. So the user has been created. If you didn't set your own password, the password is going to be shown only once here, so you can copy it over. If anything, you can also change the password again. What else you can do? You can also set the visibility groups for the users. So if you want like two teams on separate groups, you can create new groups here, like group A and group B. Each of these teams won't be able to see each other, and then you can create a third user which will be able to see like all of those teams. Okay, so we have created a user, then we go back to ATAK, we write our test user here, and we paste in the password. And as simple as that, we now have our own private server set up. What else you can do from the dashboard? You can, the same as the Takgrid seats, you can manage your certificate files if you need to get them or download them. You can as well restart the server. You just will do a hard restart on the server. You can rebuild the server if something is acting up or you messed something in the configuration through the tag server web UI dashboard, and you can reset it as well. Here you can do a one-click upgrade. So the current version is 5.5. We can upgrade to the latest version, which is 5.6 over here. We also have a built-in firewall. You can set up a firewall for all your services to limit access. You can do your own IP addresses, or you can set an IP address range. What else? You can download the SSH key if we need it, so we can SSH into the root terminal of the server if you want to do custom configurations. We also provide a VPN. Currently it's OpenVPN, which we have plans to expand. So you can set it up here, you can generate certificate files, and have your own private VPN for more secure communications. As well, of course, credentials. Here you see all your credentials, your username, your passwords for the ATAK server, for the Node-RED, for the Mumble server, and here you see the service endpoints. So this is the ATAK server web UI, which is the original ATAK server web UI. Here you can see the Node-RED web UI, the Mumble server, and all the video server endpoints. And by clicking here, you can also go into the official ATAK server web UI and do some administrative features if you want. So pretty much that is as simple as it gets. It's a quick way how to set up a ATAK server. If you have any questions, you can feel free to write in the comments, or you can also press this button and write me a message over here. I usually get back as soon as possible. And if you have any suggestions on how to improve it, I'm very open to new suggestions and to develop new features for this platform. So let me know, and thanks for watching. Bye.